Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, we will be doing an unboxing and review of a soundbar. Yes, a Bluetooth soundbar. So, without further ado, let's check this item out now. So, gentlemen and ladies, this is our soundbar for today. It is the Suntex Apollo Supreme series. Has three variants. It has the Apollo Supreme, which is this one, and then Apollo Supreme X, and also the Apollo Supreme Pro. Okay, but we're now reviewing this Apollo Supreme only. So with Apollo Supreme, you could actually have, you could buy 5 variants of colors. The standard 3 is the blue, red, and black. And they also have a premium color, which is premium price as well, the gold and the silver. Let's critique the packaging. Having a printing press background, I could say that they have a spot glossy on the packaging. That's good. And also on this side where they were promoting the different types of colors of the speakers. So that's a good thing. The rest is matte coated, similar to the packaging of the XM19 soundbar. So let's check the item inside. Okay. So is this a sliding thing? Yes, it's a sliding thing. Let's slide it out. Okay, let's park this one. Let's check the inside of this speaker box. Okay. Okay, the packaging. It has a plastic, silky, smooth protector. You have your usual cables, the aux cable and the power cable, USB. So let's park this one on the side. So what we have right now is the black one. So let's check the aesthetics of this one. Okay, so it's made out of good plastic. Okay, it has a metallic grill. Okay, what else? At the back is glossy. It has a depression on the middle. I hope you could see it. I hope you could see it. And some grooves here and the side of the depression. Okay, it has some rubber stoppers or foam stoppers. It's not actually rubber, and it's glossy at the back, but on top it's muted shine. It's not even matte, it's just muted shine. And on the left side is glossy plastic, and from the inside you could see actually the speakers. Okay, so on this side, on the front side, you have the control panel. You will see, I'll just take a close-up because it's black. On the left side there's the mode. On the middle, it's the plus and minus and the skip files buttons. And on the far right is the pause and play. Okay, so I think that you could also use this microphone to talk to your phone calls. Okay, so there's no IOs at the back. It's clean. It's also on this other side. But the IO is right beside the control panel. So you have your usual suspects. You have the power in, you have the SD card, you have the USB port, you have the aux and the power on, power off here. Okay, It's a switch, it's not a button. So let's try to power off.
Suntex, apollosupreme, Bluetooth mode.
Let's try to turn it off. No sound effects when turning it off. Let's turn it on again.
Suntex, apollosupreme, Bluetooth mode.
Okay, so let's try to connect the Suntex with my mobile phone. Okay, you could see there it's apollosupreme on the bottom, apollosupreme on the bottom. So let's check that and pair it. So basically that's it. It's paired. It's a simple pairing sound effect. And let's just click done. And let's arrange the microphone so you could hear the music. So what's my take on the Suntex apollosupreme? So my take is with regards to the price, it's very affordable. I managed to buy it in another Lazada shop, but not from the Suntex flagship store. So it only cost me around 500 pesos, and that's a good thing. Plus delivery. With regards to the look and feel, I like the black. It's very conservative and very stylish. As you can see, it has some different types of finishing At the back, it's very shiny at top, and at the bottom, it's a muted shine. And on front, it's also a muted paint job on the grill, the metallic grill. However, on the left side or on the right side, depending on where you're at, it's glossy. This is where the LCD screen is, and that's actually a good combination. So this design actually reminds me of the design of the Tilex XM19. It reminds me of the Bauhaus design. It's simple and minimalist. Okay, so it's not as minimalist. It's not as minimalist as the XM19, but it's a minimalist as well. So they have their own take on the minimalist design. Okay, with regards to the sound quality, it could take on the lows, the mediums, and the highs. Okay, for the lows, it didn't take the super low side, but the bass is enough. It's sufficing enough. Okay, so it has quality bass to it, but it's not as bassy, the bassy side of other speakers. So what's my overall rating for the Suntex ApolloSupreme soundbar? This is a 5-star, this is a thumbs up, and this is a buy. So if you're in the market of trying to search your own soundbar aside from the XM19, you could also opt for the ApolloSupreme Suntex soundbar. Okay, so this is Charlie Jose. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you on the next episode. Goodbye!